How to prepare the equipment of the Leica iCON iCS20 or iCON iCS50 for templating with iCON Trades software. The compact design makes it easy to carry to the construction site and can be operated alone. First, select a suitable location from where all relevant information can be measured. Unfold the legs of your carbon tripod, lock them in position and place it on solid ground. Place the instrument with the open latch of the quick-release mount on the tripod. Close the latch. Switch on the instrument by pressing the power button. Hang the remote control around your neck and switch it on. Open the iCON Trades software. Open the device manager to connect to your instrument and remote control. The app will auto-connect to the last used device. Open the Targets menu and select vPen. This is only possible with the iCS50.